Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to share Telegram groups link. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open any group you have, then tap on it. Then over here you can see the group profile, then tap on it. There you can see subscribers, administrator, channel settings. There at the bottom you can see invites link. Tap on it, then tap on the invites link and you can tap on copy, then copy, and you can also tap on share if you want. Here you can see you can also get a QR out of this link or revoke the link. You can do any of it, and you can also create a new link out of this. So like this you can use, or you can create a new link of your own group. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such